There is nothing sweeter than a bushy-tailed bunny backside, and this bunny beignet box will be a total standout treat for Easter. Soft and pillowy beignets coated in flavored powdered sugar. This is an Easter treat that is too cute to believe. Recipe creator, I'm gonna say recipe creator extraordinaire, Amy Richardson is showing us how. I mean, this is adorable. How did you even come up with this idea?
Well, you know, I was thinking what's fun and a little bit different, you know, for Easter. And I thought, what about bunny tails and a bunny box and beignets? And it all kind of came with all B letters.
Okay, well, I like the alliteration. A little hard to say, but we got through it. But this is all kind of stems from a little place in New Orleans.
Yes, this is from the Café du Monde, which is this, it was 1852 is when it first started coffee stand. They're known for their chicory coffee and their café au lait. And they have the best and most incredible beignets that you can buy. But what's interesting is they haven't really added anything to the menu. It still is exactly that. In 1972 or something like that, they added chocolate milk, regular milk, and orange juice.
They don't need to add anything.
No.
They've got perfection, it sounds like.
Yeah, and it's incredible. And it's so different than like what you think a beignet is. It's dense and it's yummy and oh my gosh, so good.
That's supposed to be the OG, right? Because it comes from that part of the country. Because I was saying to you, I feel like I can't taste a lot of difference between a donut and a beignet, and you're saying this is different.
This is different, and the mix is so good. We're using a mix. You can actually get the mix. And the first time I saw it, you know, we love our beignets, Disneyland, and even Thirst has them here locally. But we happened to not be going into Disneyland, and we went over to the Jazz Kitchen that's down there in downtown Disney, and they sell the Du Monde beignets there. And so I tasted it, I'm like, oh my heck, this is way different than what I thought a beignet would be. And I bought my first box there.
So you can just buy, you said on Amazon you found that.
Yeah, you can get them on Amazon. You can actually get it at World Market, and they just will tell you they've got it. They have lots of it, and you can get it on Walmart and also Target.
Okay,
online.
but you said we have to adjust it. Let's mix it in, but adjust it for the altitude.
Right, because the softer your dough is, the lighter your beignet is going to be. And so when I first tried this out, I was like, this is so thick. So you just need to add a little bit more water to your mix when you mix, and the mix doesn't require anything but water, which is
just add water.
Just add water.
Wow.
I mean, can we get any better than that? And you just stir it together, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to use a really good floured board there.
Yeah, it does look sticky.
Yeah, it's a little bit sticky, but like I said, that's the trick. So if you want to just kind of roll it out, I bought, and you want to roll it out to about 1/8 of an inch. I think that they're still fun. For the bunny tail, a little bit thicker is fun. And then you're just gonna
sticking a little bit.
Yeah, that's really good. No, that looks perfect. That's great, especially because we're cutting them. Yeah. Typically what they do is they do it in a rectangle, and then you just make like little rectangle pillows or whatever.
But you're using a cookie cutter.
A cookie cutter, and I found this great set of cookie cutters that has all the different sizes on Amazon. And so you can kind of make them any size you want. And then you're just going to drop them in your oil like that. And
you have this fryer. What is your oil of preference?
Okay, so oil is such a subject at the moment, isn't it? Well, I don't fry very often.
Me neither.
So I think I don't care that much. But if I fried all the time, I would want to use something that can be smokeless, like you want a coconut oil or a beef tallow and some of those kinds of things. You know, I want all the restaurants to use those.
Okay, and you love your deep fryer? I mean, I don't have one.
Mostly I've just used it for Studio Fine.
Okay.
But this is just like a pretty inexpensive one. I think it's about $30.
Oh, wow.
And they're great. And then what you're going to do is you're going to let it cook a minute. But the fun thing about this one is I've used flavored sugars. So I've kind of upped the game a little bit. So once you've got your beignets cooked, you're going to put it into our, and we'll just do this one a little bit.
And you have this already filled
with just regular powdered sugar. Okay, watch your fingers. Okay, shake it and give it a shake. Okay, so once you've got it in there and you shake it around with this one, then you can shake it in a flavored one.
So you do normal first?
Yeah.
You layer?
Layer it.
Okay.
Because this actually has fruit in it, so if you're going to put the oil on it, it would make it a little bit gummy. So you want to give it like a coating first, and then you can choose one of these flavors of sugar. And I did... they're so yum.
How did you make them?
Okay, so they're just powdered sugar with a little bit of granulated sugar in it, and then you use the freeze-dried fruit.
Okay.
So it's got freeze-dried fruit. You can use a little bit of true lemon or like the tiny, tiny coconut. So
and is the freeze-dried fruit a powder form? Or did you grind
you
them up?
just put it into your food processor and you beat it. But I made all of these flavors in about 20 minutes.
Tell me about your different flavors.
So I've got, I think my favorites might be the mango coconut.
That sounds delicious.
And blueberry lemon. It's so tart and it's yummy. I've got an amaretto tart cherry and a strawberry vanilla. But you could do any kind of combination you wanted. You know, there's lime, true lime comes in, true lemon, true lime, true orange.
I normally use that for Diet Coke, but you're saying throw it in your powdered sugar.
Throw it in your powdered sugar, and then you've got a flavored sugar. But the flavored sugars could be used for, just about anything.
And does it also put a color onto it?
It does.
Okay.
So we could try one if you want. Yeah, let's try one.
Okay, let's just do this one.
Blueberry lemon. And we'll just throw that in there. It's kind of a light dusting. Sorry,
just shake it up.
Shake it up.
Okay.
And then you've got your bunny tails. Super fun. And I thought it might be kind of a fun idea to, if you have family that you're not, well, that's very lightly colored, but super cute. You can put together a little box
show me
and
this
just throw
box
them all
you
in
put
there.
together.
Well, I found these just at Walmart, gold box. You can put them in there. I did kind of a little bunny. My daughter drew this bunny, and I did just kind of like a little belt on it with a bow. But you could just load up a box of those and take those over to your neighbors or mom and dad or anybody who you love.
And so you're just calling this your little bunny tail.
Yes, it's the bunny tail.
That's so
And
cute.
I actually thought that this could be such a fun gift basket for an adult.
Yes.
Just give them a couple things of the beignet mix, put in some sprinkles and a spatula and a powdered
For your
sugar
adult
shaker.
kids even.
Yeah.
If they still want a basket, give them a
Yes,
little
give them
something
something
to do.
and fun activity, but just kind of something fun for Easter.
Okay, Amy's
Kicking it
always
off.
fun. She's always coming up with these great ideas. Where can we find you?
You can find me at Amy Parker Richardson on Instagram.